Decisions. Decisions have a great importance in our life. We make a lot of decisions in our life. Sometimes we take a large amount of time in making those important decisions. But alas to a failure, we fail in those decisions. But sometimes we don't think anything. We just trust our instincts, follow those vibes and make that decision. And we win in that situation. So Gladwell has an eye on these kind of decisions. He tells us about a very important thought process of mind and name it thin slicing. So what is thin slicing? A term used in psychology and philosophy to describe the ability to find patterns in events based only on thin slices or narrow windows of experiences. The term means making very quick inferences about the state, characteristics or details of an individual or situation with minimal amount of information. It's like trusting our instincts. In a simpler language, listening to our guts. We all do thin slicing in our daily life, from social media to buying something to business to making friends to dating and everything in our life. We do thin slicing. Gladwell has given life examples of people based on various aspects of the mind and the many process of thin slicing. In the first chapter, he tells us about a statue. The name of the chapter is A Statue That Didn't Look Right. So in 1983, an art dealer named Gianfranco approached the J. Paul Getty Museum. He claimed that he has a Corot sculpture. So the thing about these sculptures is that there are only 200 of these sculptures. And Franco was asking $10 million for it. The museum began to investigate the sculpture. They used many techniques such as X-ray diffraction, X-ray fluorescence and whatnot. They were satisfied. In the fall of 1986, it went for the display for the first time. But later, an Italian art historian, Federico Zeri, who served the Getty Board of Trustees, said that the statue don't look right. He said something about his fingernail wasn't on point. Later, the sculpture was sent to Athens and it was found out that it was fake. So, a quick decision saved $10 million. Gladwell tells us about that we can by practice master the art of snap judgments and thin slices. He tells us about the inner computer can be modified according to our need and experience. Gladwell also warned us about the negatives of thin slicing. He gave many examples in which the thin slices is taken in a wrong way. For example, judgments made on gender, race and other things. And these type of things can cause a lot of damage to the society. So he warns us about the negatives of this book has many such examples. He tells a lot of examples based on research and other things. So we can't complete all those examples and research in this single video. So I recommend you to read the entire book and let me know what you think about it. So for this video, we only have this much. So please subscribe to the channel, give us a thumbs up if you like it, share it with your friends, and till then, keep reading.